I'm here with a winner of the student program, and his board got produced officially by RISC-V. I'm here with Tan. Can you explain more about this project and how it works behind the scene?
Okay, so we have made this board that contains a Gowin 9K FPGA chip and the RP2350 MCU that contains two RISC-V cores. We have made it with a student team called SemiTo-V. It's a student team in Polytechnic of Turin, and I collaborate with them. I am a RISC-V advocate at RISC-V International, and I love to collaborate with all open source projects as much as I can contribute. And this board is a batch. As you can see, I have it here. And it normally has a screen, but we haven't received it yet. So when we receive it, we will show it off. We have made it possible thanks to NextPCB. NextPCB is a PCB company that produces PCB and assembly. Here you can see more about them. They have accelerator programs which allows you to produce free PCBA samples, so you can accelerate your PCB design projects by getting free samples, including the BOM and the assembly.
Wow, sounds amazing. And how happy are you that you're part of this official event?
So I am very happy because at RISC-V Summit, we got all the big names of RISC-V, all from the ISA development, core development, up to hardware developers and software developers. So we don't only have the core developers, but we have the whole full stack that works on RISC-V. So that's amazing. And here we also have, not only this board, but also have other boards that are based on Gowin that help the RISC-V developers make their cores, make their software, and make their projects. If you allow me, I would like to show other Gowin
Yes,
boards.
please, go ahead.
So we have the Tang Primer 25 here. It has this little thing that is based on Gowin 25. And this module is very compact. And if you make a PCB that is like based on this, like that can host this, you can get free PCBA from NextPCB too, because they have an accelerator program for that. And then the same is true for Arora 5. Arora 5, if you take a look here, is a new PC FPGA that's around for a year that has an NDIS 825 hardcore that runs up to 1 GHz for this little power. Plus, it can have up to 138,000 lookup tables. And if you make a PCB based on that, you can get 2 free PCBA from NextPCB.
Wow, that sounds a bonanza. Thank you for sharing, and I'm super happy to see your design getting real. I look forward to see what you can invent for next year.
Thank you so much. I hope so, and it's all possible thanks to amazing stuff that RISC-V community does and amazing products made by FPGA companies like Gowin.
Amazing. Thank you, guys, and thank you for this event and so on and so forth. See you.
See you.